This is part 2, and we already did 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. So let's continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 'See, I'm not inserting the hook here. I'm trying to insert the hook to the upper part of the stitch. Okay, I did. And again the same place. If you do it, then it doesn't matter in the plush yarn, but in the cotton yarn it will give you holes here. So let's try again, and the video takes forever. 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we have the last one. I said increase 3. I'm now 3 single crochets to this last stitch. 1, 2, 3 here, and then you continue to the other, to this one, and it says single crochet 17. This is one again. Let's remove it, put here. Sorry, it's not easy while looking at it from the camera. 1, and let's continue in 17. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Increase 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will increase the last stitches. Second increase. Third increase. And the last increase. And then single crochet 17 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then what we do, increase 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's increase 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the round 4 is back loop, single crochets. Then you continue like this. You insert your hook to the back loop and you just do the single crochets all the way around.